Alrighty, riders. I just thought I'd do a quick video showing all the different ways that there are threats to your license on a regular ride to work. So this is the first one, which is about 1 kilometre down the road, which is the new phone user camera up above, and then the speed camera trailer down behind the sign. So that combo can even look down into your car and see if you've got your phone on your lap and you've got it down there. So I slowed down and pulled over to the side to get the video of that. And just thought I'd flick my camera on anytime I saw a speed camera or anything. So my Zumo XT comes up and tells me where the fixed cameras are. So I'm pretty aware of where they are. The rest of them, I'm just having a look and keeping an eye on what's going on. So here we are, just cruising along. This is an 80k zone, so going pretty slow. Some people choose not to. About a k or two up the road, and here in the middle is a motorbike cop standing with a laser on his bike. So he's aiming the laser. He takes a picture of your number plate and your speed. This is a speed camera facing the other way, so there'd be a picture of that later on. So another 5k's up the road, this is a combo that you see a lot. So it's a speed camera and a red light camera, and the reason they put them together is because people are speeding up to go through the intersection before they if the light turns yellow or whatever, and then the speed camera gets you. And if you don't speed up, then the red light camera will get you. So on the right-hand side here, just for something completely different, was the same thing, another speed camera, red light camera combo. And just at the top of this intersection, there's one facing back this way. And what's interesting about this one is 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. This one on the right-hand side facing us is into a 40k zone. So the 40k zone starts on the other side of that camera. Here we are, another K up the road, and that's a cop with radar and his camera on the side of his helmet, so he can look down into cars and see if people are on their phones. Degrees and sunny when I left home. It's now 14 degrees. I'm right on the tail end of a decent storm through the city. Water lying everywhere. I'm not actually particularly wet, but random. Probably should have looked at the weather forecast this morning. Not water soluble. Traction control 3. And do a lot for that road on knobbies. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see some more of these videos. There's a couple more coming up and a few more bits and pieces. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Cheers.